Here I have Asus ROG Phone 6, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the arrow here, go to its settings by tap on the gear icon and enable scan QR codes feature. So now you can just scan any QR code like this. So as you can see, like there's a notification, web page found, HardReset.Info, tap here to open in browser. And that's how you can easily scan any QR code. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.